My ice maker arm won't stay in the up position. It is plastic, it is in the lower freezer of an LG French door refrigerator model. I even ordered a new arm and replaced it, but it won't stay up either.
Can you guesstimate how old your LG is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model manufactured in 2011.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible, yes. Depends on the problem.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that is the only problem.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. The arm isn't supposed to stay up. Why are you trying to make the arm stay up?
The plastic arm is loose and has fallen down where the freezer drawer catches on it when I try to pull the freezer open. The arm normally is in the up position until the ice tray dumps, which makes the arm lower. I have to reach in and hold the arm up in order to open the freezer fully.
Actually, that's not how the arm works at all. The arm sits in the down position. When the ice maker cycles, the arm raises, then drops the ice, then the arm comes back down. If the ice is built up so high the arm can't go down, then it doesn't make any more ice until the ice level drops. So what is your real problem here?
Well, this arm is hanging down in a vertical position, which it has never done before, to the point where the drawer cannot pull out until I lift the arm out of the way. It has never done that before now.
Will it sound be hanging down in a vertical position ever? You are right about that. The down and up position is only about 2 inches difference and should always run horizontal to the ice maker. But that isn't a problem with the arm itself, that's a problem with the gears inside the ice maker head. You'll have to replace the entire ice maker to resolve this, and the part is about $65. Below is a link to the part. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay, well, that makes sense then based on what it is doing, and that is what I was afraid might be the problem, but I didn't want to replace the ice maker if I was missing something simpler. Thank you. Order the ice maker and replace that. Thank you for your help, and yes, I will leave a 5-star rating. Have a good night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.